Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your Instagram experience. In today's video, we will guide you on how to save effects for later use in Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Find and open a reel that features the effects you want to save. Step 3. Look for the 3 little stars located above the person's username on the left side of the display. Tap on them to reveal all the reels that use the same effect. You'll also see the name of the filter, if one was used, next to these stars. Step 4. To try out the effect, tap on the Try It button. Step 5. On the preview screen, you will find the effect's name and the author. Tap on them to proceed. Step 6. Now select Save Effect to add it to your collection. Step 7. If you want to ensure that the effect is saved via your inbox, send it to someone by tapping the Send To button. Step 8. To access your saved effects, go back to the Effects library and tap on the Saved tab. There you will find all the effects you have saved for later use. By following these simple steps, you can easily save and access your favorite effects on Instagram. Get creative and make your stories stand out. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll bring you more Instagram tips and tricks.